Are you an NRI in the Gulf thinking about investing in real estate back home in India? Wondering if it's worth it? Or maybe you're confused about legalities, taxes, or just finding the right property? Welcome to the Scalpers Club, your trusted guide for NRI personal finance. Today, we bring you a complete, step-by-step guide to NRI real estate investment in India, with real-life stories, one success, one failure, that will show you what to do and what to avoid. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's unlock everything you need to know about owning property in India as an NRI. First section is why real estate? Let's start with the basics. NRI real estate investment is one of the most popular and emotionally satisfying ways to build wealth back home. You get a tangible asset, rental income, and a potential place to settle when you return. But before you sign that sale deed, it's critical to understand the legal rules, financial requirements, and tax consequences. Next section is the real success story of Mohammed, an NRI from Abu Dhabi. Let me tell you a true story about Mohammed, an engineer working in Abu Dhabi. In 2016, Mohammed decided to buy a 2 BHK apartment in Bangalore for 65 lakh rupees. He had a clear goal: create a passive income stream and retire early. He didn't rush. Chose a RERA approved project. Hired a real estate lawyer in India. Paid the booking amount from his NRE account. Registered a power of attorney to his father in India for easy handling. 3 years later, the property was ready. He got tenants through a property manager and now earns 32,000 rupees per month in rent. Today, the property is valued at over 95 lakh rupees. And the best part? His home loan is fully covered by the rent. He visits once a year to see the property and plans to move in after retirement. That's the power of planning, patience, and professionalism. Third section is the real failure story of Shabir from Kuwait. Not every story ends in profit. Let's talk about Shabir, a retail supervisor in Kuwait. In 2017, Shabir invested 55 lakh rupees in a pre-launch apartment in Kerala, purely based on a WhatsApp forward from a friend. No RERA approval, he sent money directly to the builder's personal account, no NRE, NRO channel used. Fast forward 5 years, the project is abandoned. Builder vanished. No refund. No property. Total loss. Even worse. Since the money trail wasn't compliant, legal recourse became even harder. The lesson: never invest emotionally. Always verify everything. Fourth section is what NRIs can legally buy. As per RBI and FEMA regulations, NRIs can buy residential apartments, commercial spaces, but not agricultural land or farmhouses. You can buy multiple properties, jointly or individually, as long as the money comes from your NRE, NRO, FCNR account, or via direct remittance. Fifth section is property selection checklist. Here's what you must check. Is the project RERA approved? Does the seller have a clear title? Are all local municipal approvals in place? Does the builder have a good reputation? If you're not in India, always assign a registered power of attorney to a trusted person. That way, they can sign papers and take possession on your behalf. Sixth section is about home loans for NRI. Yes, you can get a home loan in India as an NRI. Top banks like SBI, HDFC, and ICICI offer NRI home loans they have online application processes, competitive interest rates, tenures up to 20 years, documents needed, passport and visa, salary slips and bank statements, employment proof, NRE or NRO account details. Seventh section is about tax implications. Let's not forget taxes. Rental income is taxable in India. You get a 30% standard deduction. If you sell the property, capital gains tax applies. And yes, thanks to DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, you won't be taxed twice. Just be sure to file your Indian income tax return every year. 8th section is about exit strategy and repatriation. Want to sell and take the money back to your Gulf bank account? You can repatriate proceeds from 2 properties per financial year, subject to taxes, TDS, and Form 15CA or 15CB compliance. So always keep your sale deed, payment proof, tax challans, RBI permissions, if applicable. The last section is tips for NRI real estate success. Checkmark choose RERA approved projects. Checkmark never pay in cash. Checkmark use a real estate lawyer. Checkmark invest based on numbers, not emotions. Checkmark track all your paperwork digitally. And always ask, what's my goal? Rental income, retirement, capital appreciation. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools for long-term wealth, but only if done right. Mohammed from Abu Dhabi made it work with discipline and due diligence. Shabir from Kuwait lost everything because of shortcuts and overtrust. Which story will be yours? Let us know in the comments where you are planning to invest in India. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NRI personal finance content. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested.